Ever felt that sinking feeling at the airport, realizing your travel card might be playing dead? You're not alone. Today, we're tackling a burning question. Do I actually need to activate my YouTrip card before jetting off overseas? Let's dive in. Imagine this. You're finally at the gate, boarding pass in hand, ready to embrace a new adventure. You whip out your YouTrip card, eager to snag that duty-free treat, only to find nothing. No transactions going through. Panic sets in. This is where knowing the activation process can save your trip and your sanity. The short answer? Yes, in most cases, you'll need to activate your YouTrip card before using it overseas. Think of it like this: your card needs a digital handshake with the global payment networks to work seamlessly abroad. This activation usually involves a simple process, often within the YouTrip app itself. Typically, the activation process is straightforward. Download the YouTrip app. If you haven't already, download the app from your phone's app store. Create an account, register with your details, and follow the on-screen instructions. Card activation. Look for the card activation section within the app. This might involve a simple tap, entering a verification code, or linking your bank account. Now, here's where things can get a little tricky. Some cards might have pre-activated features, while others require manual activation. Always check the terms and conditions of your specific YouTrip card or contact their customer support for clarification. Also, keep in mind that some cards might require you to activate them for specific regions or currencies before travel. It's always best to double-check these details beforehand to avoid any surprises. Once activated, it's crucial to test your card before leaving home. Try making a small transaction at a local store or withdrawing a small amount of cash from an ATM. This helps ensure everything is working smoothly and gives you peace of mind. Here are a few extra tips to maximize your YouTrip experience abroad. Inform your bank about your travel plans. This helps prevent your card from being blocked due to unusual activity. Check for any applicable fees. Understand any foreign transaction fees or withdrawal charges associated with your card. Keep your card safe, carry your card securely, and be mindful of your surroundings to prevent theft or loss. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Don't forget to activate your YouTrip card and enjoy your travels.